Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Signature by Levi Strauss Gold Men's Slim Fit Jeans. We're going to open it up, show you what they look like up close, try them on, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so as we get these out, I should clarify, I think I introed them as just slim. They're slim straight jeans. They're 33 by 34. Again, Levi Strauss Signature. They're gold, ultimate flex. Idea here is that they're supposed to be a little bit loose for me. So we're going to go ahead and just show you what they look like up close. It's got kind of your standard pockets. Nothing spectacular here. Levi Strauss Signature Gold version. It does have kind of the coin pocket or whatever. I know there's some other terminology for that. That's got a purpose. Silver buckle. Again, 33 by 34. I am 6'1", 160 pounds, 165 pounds. So I'm a little bit slim, a little bit long. So we're going to try them out. We'll get them washed up, try it on, and take it from there. All right, so just a quick kind of rundown on these. They're still a little bit loose because of the stretchiness. So I probably could have gotten away with 32s. I love the length. They are, like, normally when you bend down like this, you feel it everywhere in the jeans, and I'm not feeling it at all because of the stretchiness. It's awesome. They feel great. They fit great. Totally, you know, as you can tell, my waist is here, belly button's here, so they're, you know, kind of low riders like that. But they just feel great. So to me, definitely worth buying. Love the look, love the feel. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.